can transform the lives of millions of children around the world? How can we grow economies, build enterprises and create futures? Where can we find the answers to our most complex problems? Education.
ఉచిత నిర్బంధ విద్య అంటే అధ్యక్ష ఉచిత నిర్బంధ విద్య ఓవర్ నైట్ తెచ్చిపెట్టేది కాదు ఎందుకంటే దట్ విల్ బి రిప్లేసింగ్ ది ప్రెజెంట్ సిస్టమ్.
There are 23 crore children studying in 13 lakh schools across India. About 84.14% of these schools are in rural areas.
Most of the students belong to poor homes. Their parents or older siblings are illiterate. Thus, most children don't have anyone to guide them apart from their teachers at school. We do not have lab facility or library in our school, so we are constrained to teach our students using textbooks and simple experiments, but it is insufficient.
As of June 2013, ISRO had established 83 EduSat networks consisting of 48 hubs and 56,081 receiving centers. However, most of these resources are currently idling. What we need today is an optimal solution to reach quality education to the remote parts of our country. Let us tell you a remarkable tale of success brought to reality by the consortium of the Centre for Public Policy, Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore.
IIMB consortium, consisting of a number of technology companies, experimented with a number of technologies to deliver services in rural areas. Satellite as well as internet technology was able to create effective interactive classroom with a remote studio.
The government of Karnataka has approved implementation of Tele-Education Action Research Program in 1,000 schools located in the rural areas across the Karnataka state. It's a flagship program of the Education Department. The technology used is very robust and it combines the satellite and the internet. The overall cost of implementing this project is very effective.
Hybrid technology is versatile enough to work on other established platforms for distance education like EduSat, IP, DVB and multicast. It is grid independent and works well with solar power.
ನೀರು ನವೀಕರಣಗೊಳ್ಳುವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲವಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಬರಿದಾಗುವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುವುದು ಏಕೆ?
ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ,
Now the IIM Bangalore Consortium has come up with a technological way of communicating with children in villages and providing high quality education in rural India. And they will be using advanced techniques to test the impact of these programs.
Gumbi Software Private Limited Bangalore has done extensive research in the area of tele-education and arrived at technically feasible solution to deliver education services. We are working with 1,000 schools of Karnataka state government led by IIMB consortium, and we are using multimedia interactive technology to deliver the education services.
Let's start today.